Ninjas, we are so close. You are so close to earning your double black belt in Math Ninja. All right, so we have our FASA on Wednesday and Thursday this week, okay? The 19th and the 20th of May. And I'm so glad that you're coming in on the 20th. Do you know why? It's my birthday. So I am so excited to celebrate it with you. We have 2 more days of test prep, and then you will be fully prepared for FASA. I hope you are feeling more comfortable and confident now. Since you've already taken your reading FASA, you know just what it's like, and you are going to do amazing. No sweat, no stress. If you agree, give me a hiya. Hiya! All right, so we are on day 26 in both packets today, friends. So let's go ahead and get out our preview and review standards. We are on day 26. Today is the last day that we will kind of work together on all of the problems. Tomorrow you will do 2 by yourself. And then Wednesday and Thursday, you'll be totally ready. Okay, so you are on day 26 of your preview and review. Let's get it started. Count to find the area of the shape. You should be pros at this by now. Go ahead and bubble in your answer. Okay, so by now we can come up with 2 different ways, 2 different strategies to find the area. We can count all of them, or we know when we do area, we do length times width. So we've got 4 blocks on top and 3 going down. So when we multiply 4 times 3, or if we count all of them, we should get 12. If that's what you've got, stand up and do a cobra kick. I don't know what that looks like, but make it up. All right, next one, some more area. Choose the area of the gray shape. Choose the area of the gray shape. Go ahead and do that now. Now this one, we would not really be able to multiply our length times width. The better strategy this time would be just to count it, right? So if you counted all of them, you should have gotten 18 squares. All right, number 3. Catherine is trying to find the area of the gray figure below. How many square units is this figure? When we see these bubble in grids, we shouldn't panic anymore. We can do it with our eyes closed. We know that we start in that very first left box when we write any answer, okay? So figure out your area. What did you get? If you count them, that might be the easiest strategy, or you can multiply. It looks a little similar to one we already did. Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And we know 4 times 3 equals 12. So we write our first digit, bubble it in, our second digit, and bubble it in. All right. Number 4. There are 36 girls who want to play basketball. If they need 9 players on each team, how many teams can they make? All right. You should be circling, boxing, underlining. Solve it and find your answer. Bubble it in. Well, I see 36 girls. And I see 9 players on each team. There's 2 ways we could have solved this. It wants to know how many teams can they make. So I can do 9 times blank equals 36. Or I can start with that big number. I've got those 36 girls. I'm breaking them up with 9 girls on each team. And how many teams would there be? Well, I know 9 times 4 equals 36. So you should have picked 4 for that one, A. Brad has 24 cookies. I hope when I'm reading you're circling, boxing, and underlining by now. He places 6 cookies on each plate. How many plates have cookies on them? Hey, what did you get for that one? What did you get for number 5? Well, I see the same thing. It kind of looks familiar. I see 2 numbers and I see 8 each. So each helps me know you can multiply or divide with each, but 6 cookies on each plate times, we don't know how many plates, equals 24 cookies, or I have 24 cookies, I'm putting 6 on each plate. How many plates are there? What did you get? Well, I know 6 times 4 equals 24. So hopefully you bubbled in D. Give me a ninja karate chop. Ready, set, go. Hi-ya! All right, flip that baby over. We are on number 6, my friends. How much money would 4 children each receive if they divided $20 evenly? Remember, you are pausing if I am going too quickly so that you can solve the problem. 4 children divide $20 evenly. I love when I see that. 20 divided by 4 equals what? How much does each child get? You should have gotten 5 because I know 5 times 4 equals 20, right? And friends, multiplication and division should be one of the easiest things that you are doing. If not, you really need to buckle down and be practicing those facts, okay? All right, let's look at this one, and I'm going to show you a good strategy for this one. Okay, so we can do this one together. I'll show you the strategy, and then you can find your answer. Tyler makes a wall mosaic with 1-foot tiles as shown below. Which tiles cover the least area in Tyler's mosaic? The white tiles, the light gray tiles, or the dark gray tiles? So if you look over here, they have all the choices. So what I would suggest with starting by counting the dark gray tiles. Let's count those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to write 7 next to it. Okay? Let's do the white ones together. That's our next choice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, well, and it's asking which tiles cover the least area. Which one can we eliminate? Put an X next to the one that is not the least so far. The white, right? Is there another one we can eliminate? Well, we don't know what light gray is yet, but can we eliminate they are all equal? Yes. Okay, so then let's look at light gray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I just realized I missed a white one. And I'm kind of glad I did that. Let's go ahead and write 10 here. But I'm kind of glad I did that because that shows that when you're checking your work, this would jump out at me. I just realized also when I was making those dots, I didn't need one here. So really there's not 12 white. How many white are there? 13. And if you were in the classroom with me, you would probably already be saying, Mrs. Harp, there's not 12, there's 13. All right, so back to our question, which tile covers the least area? Go ahead and bubble it in. Which one covers the least amount of space? the dark gray, right? Because 7 is the smallest. This is a great strategy. I hope to see you using it on Wednesday and Thursday. All right, count to find the area of this shape. Go ahead and count it or split it up and multiply to find it. You figure it out. Which one is it? If we count all of the squares, we should get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Is that what you got? Good job. Oh, here's about Mr. Garrett. Garrett is building a house shown on the grid. It doesn't ask you a question here. Remember, I didn't make this test. Mrs. Peters didn't write this. Okay. But I want you to take a minute and figure out the area. What is the area of Garrett's house? Okay. Not all of these shapes are completely even like a square or a rectangle. So hopefully you paused the video, you counted all of the gray shaded squares. And if you did it correctly, you should have gotten 56. And I'm hoping that you were able to write it and bubble it in just like that. If you were, give me a whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. All right, last one, friends. What's the area of the bedroom on the grid? I almost got tricked and was thinking, what? They just asked me the area, but not of the whole house. Go ahead and figure out the area for the bedroom. All right, let's count it. You could have counted the squares or done our multiplication. I'm going to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5 times 4 equals 20. You should have gotten A. All right, ninjas. So you are done with day 25, or sorry, 26. 26. Go ahead and make sure that you are, I'm going to share my screen with you again. You are working on day 26 of your FASAL warm-ups. You've got 1, 2, 3 problems today. All right. All right, my little ninjas, you are getting so close to becoming math ninja masters. Give me one last bow and a namaste. Ready? Close your eyes. Namaste. Have a good day. Bye.